Dad, what if people came back from the dead? Would everyone be happy?
Whoa, buddy, that's a big question. Why do you ask?
I saw it in a cartoon. But what if it really happened? Would you be scared?
Imagine if Grandpa popped out of the ground asking where his favorite hat went. That'd be something, huh? So, let's say people came back. First, it might be a shock. Imagine Aunt Susan shows up and you just sold her car. That'd be awkward.
Or Uncle Tim comes back and asks for his baseball bat. But we used it to make a birdhouse. Oops! S1, exactly. And Grandma would want to know why her recipe book is missing pages. Maybe because someone accidentally used it as a coloring book. Do you think they'd be happy to see us?
Some for sure. But others? They might have some questions, like, why's my room now a gym? Or who took my favorite chair?
Do you think they'd be mad if we used their stuff?
Maybe, but I bet they'd be more upset if we didn't save them a spot at the dinner table. Imagine a big family meal, but half of them are from, well, the other side.
What's an app? Is it like a snack?
So the internet is just in the air.
No, Grandpa, a tablet isn't for writing.
It'd be a whole new learning curve. We'd be teaching them everything from smartphones to streaming movies.
Did you know in ancient Egypt people believed they'd come back as stars in the sky? In some cultures, it's believed that people might come back as animals or even as plants. Imagine Uncle Tim as a tree.
If I came back, I'd want to be a dinosaur. Roar! Would you buy me new ones? Hey, Dad, if I came back and my toys were gone, I'd be upset too. No one wants to come back in old, dusty outfits.
Of course, buddy, and if we resurrected, we'd probably need new things too, like new clothes.
Yeah, I'd need my pajamas.
I told you to marry someone who cooks like I do.
Wow, Fluffy from Mom's Stories is real.
It'd be a blast. We'd be busy, but think of the stories we'd hear. We wouldn't need history books. We'd have the real thing.
Let us know in the comments if you'd be excited or if it might be a little spooky.
Dad, I'd make sure to keep your favorite chair just in case.
Thanks, champ. And if you came back, I'd make sure all your dinosaurs are waiting for you.
Deal!
So, would everyone accept us back? Probably. With a few laughs, some confusion, and lots of hugs. After all, family is forever, even if they need a little catching up.
What do you think? Would your family accept you? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to Knowledge Nitro for more fun.